Hello, this is Dr. Sachin Anil Punekar, conservation biologist and a founder president of Biospheres. I am extremely happy that today I have been invited by JSPM University. I would like to thank the Honorable Dean Dr. Arpita Kaswa, the Honorable VC of JSPM University, and of course my colleague and friend Dr. Rahul Rallal of Department of Geography. I have been invited to basically deliver a guest lecture on the topic Glimpses of Biodiversity of Western Ghats. I am extremely happy that I have interacted with the faculty members of the JSPM University and very enthusiastic students of JSPM University. The basic rationale of JSPM University is inspiring innovation and transforming the talents. So I'm happy to be a part of this particular activity of JSPM University. There are a number of entrepreneurship opportunities and experiential learning opportunities available besides the basic curriculum and academic and research activities of the university. I'm sure that JSPM University will definitely bring various students who can lead the country at the global platform. मराठीमध्ये सांगायचं झालं तर पुण्याविषयी असं म्हटलं जातं की विद्या वैभव कला संस्कृती इथे ना काही पुणे उभ्या भारतात भूषण व्हावे ऐसे आपुले पुणे. आणि मला नक्कीच खात्री आहे की JSPM युनिव्हर्सिटीच्या माध्यमातून चांगले विद्यार्थी चांगले संशोधक आपल्या देशासाठी या व्यासपीठाच्या माध्यमातून घडवले जातील आणि जे जगभरात आपल्या पुण्याचं आपल्या भारताचं नाव विश्वामध्ये करतील अशी खात्री या ठिकाणी मी बाळगतो. आणि पुनश्च JSPM युनिव्हर्सिटीला मी मनपूर्वक धन्यवाद देतो की त्यांनी मला आज ग्लिम्सेस ऑफ वेस्टर्न घाट या टॉपिकवर बोलण्याची संधी या ठिकाणी दिलेली आहे. I am sure that JSPM University will certainly create a kind of platform for the students who can bring the laurels to the country at the global platform. Thank you.